What as I told you, there's a country where fire literally shoots out of the ground. Ancient cities sit next to futuristic towers, and you can bathe in crude oil for health reasons. No, this isn't a sci-fi movie. This is Azerbaijan. Tucked between Europe and Asia, it's one of the most underrated, misunderstood, and straight-up fascinating places on the planet. And today, we're diving headfirst into the real story. The wild facts, the gorgeous landscapes, the cost of living, the culture, and everything no one's telling you. Welcome back to Re-Inspired Adventures. Let's get started. Number 1. What's life like? Living in Azerbaijan is like living at a cultural crossroads, where ancient traditions casually crash into modern skyscrapers. One moment, you're sipping tea in a centuries-old caravanserai, and the next, you're cruising past futuristic flame-shaped towers in Baku. Life here moves at a chill pace outside the capital, but inside cities, it can feel like any booming metro around the world. There's a strong sense of community. People still visit each other without texting first, and neighbors actually know each other. Imagine that. It's a land where hospitality isn't just a suggestion, it's practically a competitive sport. Also, don't expect the 9-to-5 grind to dominate life. Family, friends, and endless cups of black tea pretty much run the show. Plus, Azerbaijanis love to celebrate. From weddings to just surviving Tuesday, any excuse will do. It's lively, colorful, and honestly, kinda addictive once you get into the rhythm. Number 2. Geographic location, climate, and ethnicity. Azerbaijan is like nature's flex reel. Sitting at the crosshairs of Eastern Europe and Western Asia, it's blessed with beaches, mountains, deserts, and lush forests, all jammed into a space smaller than the state of Maine. You've got the Caspian Sea on one side, the towering Caucasus Mountains on the other, and a mix of everything in between. Climate-wise, it's a roller coaster. Hot summers that'll melt your flip-flops, snowy mountains perfect for skiing, and a solid sprinkle of spring and fall magic. Ethnically, Azerbaijan is overwhelmingly Azerbaijani, about 90%, but you'll also meet Russians, Lezgins, Talish, Armenians, and a few more hidden gems. It's a mosaic of different faces, languages, and traditions. You'll hear Azerbaijani, which sounds super cool and lyrical, but Russian is also sprinkled in like seasoning. It's not unusual to hear 3 languages flying around at a street market, just part of the vibe. Number 3. The people. Azerbaijanis are basically professional-level friendly. They're warm, welcoming, and extremely proud of their heritage. It's the kind of place where strangers might invite you to dinner after a 2-minute conversation about the weather. Family is everything here, like everything. Don't be surprised if a full family tree is drawn for you during your first cup of tea. Also, Azerbaijanis have a quiet but strong national pride. It's not loud or aggressive. It's more like a deep, unshakable love for their country's soul. They're also insanely good at storytelling, whether it's about ancient warriors, wise grandmothers, or slightly questionable fishing trips. And if you ever need directions, be prepared for a 10-minute conversation, 3 alternative routes, and possibly a ride halfway there. It's that kind of hospitality. Number 4. The women. Azerbaijani women are a force of nature. They blend old-world elegance with modern confidence effortlessly. Picture women rocking stylish European outfits while still nailing traditional hospitality at the same time. Education is a big deal here. Many women are highly educated, ambitious, and career-driven, but they also hold tight to cultural values like family and community. In cities like Baku, you'll see women killing it in business suits, tech startups, fashion scenes, you name it. In rural areas, life can be more traditional, but don't mistake tradition for weakness. Azerbaijani women are fiercely independent under that polite surface. Plus, beauty standards here are no joke. Think dark hair, glowing skin, and killer cheekbones that could probably slice through steel. They carry themselves with an effortless pride that's pretty unforgettable. Number 5. Strange facts. All right, buckle up, because Azerbaijan has some weird and wonderful surprises. First off, it's called the Land of Fire. And that's not just marketing fluff. Natural gas vents literally spontaneously combust out of the ground in places like Yanar Dag. Imagine a hillside that's been on fire for hundreds of years, casually. Also, Azerbaijan is home to one of the world's oldest known human settlements, Gobustan, where ancient cave drawings make modern graffiti look like toddler scribbles. Want more? There's a mud volcano belt here. Yup, volcanoes. But instead of lava, they burp up mud. It's delightfully gross and strangely beautiful. Oh, and they have an official carpet museum shaped like a giant rolled-up carpet. Because if you're gonna do carpets, you better go all in. Number 6. Things to do. Azerbaijan is basically a playground for explorers. Let's start with Baku, the capital. This city is a wild mix of ancient stone walls and space-age architecture. Wander through Ichra Sheher, the old city, and you'll find 12th century mosques, bathhouses, and the famous Maiden Tower, which comes with more legends than your average Netflix series. Right outside that, boom, the Flame Towers, 3 skyscrapers shaped like fire, lighting up the skyline every night in a full LED show. Want art? The Haydar Aliyev Center looks like a spaceship that landed just to flex on the rest of the world. Nature lovers don't even blink. The Caspian Sea coastline is full of beaches, perfect for a chill day under the sun, while the Caucasus Mountains offer hiking trails, waterfalls, and jaw-dropping scenery that looks straight out of a fantasy novel. Head to Sheki, a stunning town full of palaces, silk, and sweets, or explore Kinalug, one of the oldest and highest villages in Europe, where it feels like time stopped 1,000 years ago. If winter's your thing, hit up Shahdag or Tufandag ski resorts, where you'll find solid slopes, modern hotels, and none of the overpriced chaos you get in the Alps. Still not done? Take a trip to Naftalan, where people literally bathe in oil for health benefits. Strange? Yes. Legendary? Also yes. Azerbaijan has something for everyone. Ancient wonders, modern luxury, outdoor thrills, and quirky, unforgettable experiences that'll blow your mind. Number 7. The culture. Azerbaijani culture is where ancient and modern throw the best party ever. Music here is a big deal, especially mugam, which is this wild, soulful, improvisational singing that's like opera and jazz had a complicated baby. Dancing? Expect fast footwork, graceful hand movements, and costumes so vibrant you might need sunglasses. Then there's Novruz, the spring holiday that's basically New Year's Eve meets a food fight. Bonfires, crazy sweets, and way too much jumping over flames. Art is everywhere too, not just in museums, but literally on the walls and carpets. Plus, Azerbaijanis have a massive love for literature and poetry, with people still quoting 12th century poets like it's no big deal. Number 8. The food. Get ready to fall in love and maybe gain a few happy pounds, because Azerbaijani food hits the mark. Think juicy kebabs, rich stews like piti cooked in clay pots, buttery plov rice pilafs, and bread so fresh it'll make you question every grocery store back home. Vegetarians might struggle a bit, but the variety of fresh herbs, fruits, and cheeses is pretty impressive. Tea isn't just a drink here, it's a ritual. Always served piping hot in pear-shaped glasses, usually with a bowl of jam you're supposed to stir in. Pro tip, don't say no to tea. It's rude. And also, why would you even want to? Azerbaijani cuisine blends Middle Eastern spice, Russian heartiness, and Persian flair into one delicious, soul-warming experience. Number 9. Cost of living. Here's the good news. Your money stretches way farther here than in Western Europe or the US. Rent? You can snag a modern one-bedroom in Baku for what you'd pay for a broom closet in New York City. Public transportation is dirt cheap. A metro ride costs less than a bottle of water. Eating out won't bankrupt you either. You could have a full meal, drink included, for under $10 at a decent restaurant. Groceries? Fresh produce at the markets is so affordable, you'll feel like you're committing theft. Internet's fast and cheap too, which is a massive bonus for remote workers. The only thing that might sting a little is imported goods and electronics. They can get pricey. But honestly, when life is this affordable, you won't even blink. Number 10. Expat life. Thinking about moving here? Azerbaijan is a pretty smooth ride for expats, especially if you set up shop in Baku. It's safe, modern, and has a growing international community. English isn't everywhere, but it's enough in touristy spots and among younger folks. Learning a few words of Azerbaijani will earn you massive respect though. Visa policies are fairly relaxed. You can get long-term residency if you play your cards right. Housing is easy to find. The healthcare system is decent and way cheaper than the US, and the social life is buzzing once you get plugged in. Just expect some bureaucratic weirdness. Paperwork here moves at the speed of a sleepy turtle. But if you've got patience, the rewards are worth it. Beautiful landscapes, affordable living, and a front row seat to one of the most underrated countries on earth. And that's a wrap on what it's like to live in the Azerbaijan. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing adventures. See you next time.